Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the wonderful world of kids music. From kids who become famous musicians and what are the benefits of music for children, we'll be covering it all. So, let's dive in. Many of us are familiar with famous musicians like Justin Bieber and Taylor Swift, but did you know that they started their music careers at a very young age? Justin Bieber was discovered on YouTube at the age of 13, and Taylor Swift wrote her first song at the age of 12. Other famous musicians who started their careers as kids include Stevie Wonder, Beyoncé, and Michael Jackson. These musicians prove that age is just a number, and if you have a passion for music, you can start following your dreams at any age. What kids should listen to? When it comes to kids' songs, there are so many great options out there. From classic nursery rhymes to modern pop songs, there's something for everyone. It's important for kids to listen to age-appropriate music that promotes positive messages. Some popular options for kids include Baby Shark, Let It Go from Frozen, and The Wheels on the Bus. As kids get older, they can start listening to more complex music that may inspire them to pursue a career in music. There are many ways that kids can improve their music potential. Here are some suggestions. 1. Start with the basics. It's important for young children to learn the basics of music theory and notation. This includes learning about rhythm, melody, harmony, and musical notation. 2. Practice regularly. Like any skill, regular practice is essential for improving musical ability. Encourage your child to practice their instrument or vocal skills for a set amount of time each day. 3. Listen to music. Listening to a variety of music can help children develop their musical ear and expand their knowledge of different genres and styles. 4. Join a music program. Many schools and communities offer music programs where kids can learn to play an instrument or sing in a choir. These programs provide a structured environment for learning and can help kids develop their musical skills and confidence. 5. Get private lessons. Private music lessons can be a great way for kids to receive individualized instruction and feedback from a professional musician. In addition to improving musical ability, there are many health benefits associated with music. Studies have shown that playing or listening to music has a positive impact on a child's overall development. It can help with language development, spatial temporal skills, and even improve academic performance. Studies have shown that children who learn to play an instrument have better memory and cognitive skills. Music also helps with emotional development by providing an outlet for self-expression and creativity. Reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood and emotional well-being, enhance cognitive function and memory, increase social bonding and communication, improve physical coordination and motor skills. Encouraging kids to develop their musical potential can not only help them become better musicians, but can also have a positive impact on their overall health and well-being. Music is a wonderful way for kids to express themselves and develop important skills. Who knows, maybe one day your child will become the next Justin Bieber or Taylor Swift. So encourage your kids to listen to music and maybe even learn to play an instrument. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.